What's going on? It's Anton with the Foundation 101, and I'm going to be showing you how to use gradient elements with ClickFunnels. As you see here, I have these two buttons here. It has a really cool gradient that goes like from a red to like a lighter orange. So it's really easy to do. Just go to uigradients.com. I'm going to leave a link for that below this video. And basically they have a ton of gradients to choose from. What you do is click the little hamburger menu and it drops down all of these different cool gradients. Basically you want to find the one that matches your site, or you want to stand out in your site. Let's say the orange font looks kind of like the one I have on that page. Let's see if there's anything else similar. Let's do the cool Instagram. Yeah, I like that, the Instagram colors. So we just click on it, and then right in the top corner you have a button that says Get CSS. So you just click on that, and it says click to copy, so you copy it. Then you go back to ClickFunnels, you go to Settings, Custom CSS. Then you have to type in .el button with a capital B, open bracket, paste your code, and then close bracket, and boom, there it is. You got the gradient button. Now you can do this with any element. So say you want the background, the whole background of this section to be a gradient color. I can actually go to Settings, click the gear, find out the CSS info for that element, or in this case the row. Copy that, go back to the custom CSS. Then I'm just going to go back to where the L button was and replace it with my CSS code for that section. And just like that, you got the gradient color all the way across. So I'm going to leave that CSS code below this video, and I'm also going to throw in some CSS code to give you this really cool shadow effect I have on the button. It kind of makes it look like it's standing away from the page, kind of popping out at you. So I'll leave that down there as well. If you have any questions about this, just join my Facebook group. I'll have a button or a link down below, and I'll see you there.